Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Saz Analytica. This is going to be our Analytica update. It's going to be like the quick summary of what's going on. Not as much a long content show, but certainly able and willing and able to answer some questions. I'm going to get moving over here to screen share in just a sec. And hope everyone's having a fantastic day. It is a beautiful day out here, that's for sure. So let me do this. All right, and here we are. All right, so we should be good. Are we live? All right, looks like it. Okay, so what's up, Bitcoin motorist? Great to see you, my friend. All right, so we're starting to scrape the bottom a little lower here. I'm not happy. Yesterday when we went live, this was pretty fresh. Now we've double tapped that area and made a lower low. Not very happy to see this right now. And what's up, APJ? And let's see, Dr. Lewis, we live. So yeah, we've made a lower low, guys. I'm not very happy about this. It's not much lower, is it something that we need to lose our minds over? Absolutely not. The bid-ask spread in spot markets is still pretty sell dominant. The perps are getting confused. You can see that the band really tightened up over here in that crash. Look, they're getting demoralized a little bit here. If you thought you had a great trade over here and you wanted to ride it out because this is the bottom, oh shit, yeah, looking great. And then no, it's going to be okay. It'll reverse, and now you're sitting at a point, over here, you're sitting below where you entered, and now you're sitting at about where you entered. This is definitely a stressful time if you took that trade and you didn't exit yet. So yeah, I think it's a little tough on the psychology right now of the traders, and I see some potential for us to move. What's up, Pim? Great to see you, my friend. Ryan S. Yo, what up, brother? So I'm liking the fact that we still have some bulls in the perp markets. The spot markets neutral, doesn't mean shit to me yet. And this is actually pretty interesting. Looking at let's actually make this a little deeper. Yeah, look, since the move down, we don't really have much liquidity chasing this run down, except for the people at the top of the book, right? I think this is looking like it's going to be a channel with the static resistance up this way, 30,300, and the support still holding. We're sitting at it right now, so very possible we're in a channel with 30,200 being our high end. What's up, Teo? What's up, Teo? So yeah, we're cruising. We're cruising. Let's just look at a larger time frame for a sec. We're bouncing between the bottom and top of the RSI, by the way. Just interesting to note. I point that out because sometimes I use the RSI as a standalone indicator. Yeah, slightly looks like potential for a lower low here. I'm going to get my trading view up pretty soon on this computer, so we can look at CME gaps, because we all know how much I love CME gaps. So let us see here. Interesting, Pim. Yeah, I think YouTube notifications have always sucked. This is a new channel, so there shouldn't be any problems with it, but YouTube has its room for improvement, that's for sure. What's up, Shivesh? Great to see you, man. So yeah, we're looking, let's see what this low is. 29,005 on the dot, 29,512. So not technically a lower low, but technically support. So that's good to note. Definitely good to note. RSI neutral on the daily. One thing I did point out to some friends the other day was that our the same theory that I had as we were all-time highing and potentially topping out is the distance between the lows with the pullbacks being roughly the same. And we're kind of dealing with a similar psychology here. We're dealing with pullbacks that are pretty bad, but then big moves back up. The angle is also getting less and less steep. We're talking about a pullback that was pretty sharp and painful, followed by a massive reversal. A reversal and change. We got, in this case, a longer, slower pullback from a high to low with a slightly higher high. Point is that I think the violent selling behaviors are for the most part done. I think it's a pretty convincing bottom at this point. What we're dealing with here. This being the main part of it, and us buying our way out. I still think we're going up to $40,000+ in the next few months, and we're probably going to end the year around 30,000. So just making that point clear. I think this area is a good looking low. So any questions, you guys? Any questions? Please don't hesitate to ask. This particular Analytica update show is going to be geared for some quick questions being answered, some good content for the people that are on the run, not here for the long content stuff. Just want to catch up on price. So I'm pretty much at that point. If we have questions, I'm happy to answer. If not, then we're probably going to move this along pretty soon here. So that being said, let's see if we can get back above this channel. We got a 16 pack buyer, 0.2232. We got some buying going on, some selling going on. Some decent packs of Bitcoin being bought and sold. So yeah, things are looking good, peeps. Always good to see buyers showing up when things are looking grim. The worst is when everyone talks about how Bitcoin is at a discount and no one's buying. At least here we see some actual buyers. So all right, we're gonna wrap it up here. Everyone, make sure that you're doing your push-ups and sit-ups and squats. Make sure that you're pursuing the mastery of yourself every day. Bitcoin motorist absolutely still smoke cigars. In fact, probably going to smoke one right now. Beautiful day outside. Have a few. So yeah, gonna be chilling, watching price action with you every day. I'll run some long content a bit later. And just stay healthy, everyone. Stay strong. Much love to you all, and I'll be catching up with you very soon. All right, peace.